And it all comes down to this. The final event that determines who has won the Season 8 Championship. This, I would love to introduce you to the final elimination. For elimination, you know how it works. That'd be new. You go down the track. It'll be so the last marble, the first marble to exit the course, they are eliminated. You just want to survive as much as you can. And here we are, the standings. The top 4, Fireworks, Sneakers, Burning Flares and Cheese Balls are the only ones who can win it. For Cheese Balls to win, Fireworks needs to get dead last, so they need to. The Fireworks will need to get dead last in their heat and be the worst time. And Cheese Balls will need the gold. For Burning Flares to win, Fireworks, they also need to be dead last in their heat. Burning Flares needs the gold. For Sneakers to win, Sneakers need Fireworks to get 15s or 16s. Sneakers need the gold, so not on the line. And Fireworks need to get 14s or higher and they win, so. Yeah, but here's our first heat. We have Zebras, Neon Paws, Sneakers, and Cheese Balls in the bottom lane. Burning Flares, Galaxies, Honeybees, and No Rangers on the top. 3 of the 4 championship contenders are in this heat, so hopefully all of them can advance. And more! Who'll be eliminated? The first one. Oh, it's Neon Paws so far, but Cheese Balls are there. Oh, that is not good. It's the championship. It's the Snowballs now. Entering this funnel, but who'll be the last one? And it is the Snowballs. And who will be safe? There are safety here as well. And Burning Flares will win the heat, so they will advance to the final. And that is good for the championship. Burning Flares, they need this more than pretty much everyone right now. By the way, that was the Rangers who went out, so yeah. But hey, Burning Flares are making it, so that's good for championship implications. So in the second heat. Well, not the second heat, the second race underway. Here we go. And what? Who's next? Who'll be eliminated now? And that's Zebras right now, but Cheese Balls are back there again. And the host have guaranteed safety right now. But who'll be out? Oh, Galaxies are there! And oh, Cheese Balls! They have done it! As now, the Neon Paws will win the heat, so they will advance. That is good. But the Cheese Balls are eliminated. They will go 15th. Neon Paws, they will guarantee safety. But everyone else is still not safe yet. Now we have to go to the final race of Group A, and this will determine everything. Who's safe and who's not. Sneakers and Honeybees on the bottom. Galaxies and Zebras on top. And we're off! Top 2 will make it. Who will those be? And Galaxies are not off to a good start. No one's joining them, but now Sneakers and Honeybees are there. No, top 2 will make it, so Galaxies looks like they're not in a good position, so they will be eliminated. So will the Zebras, so Honeybees and Sneakers will be the 2 that will advance. And that is good, because the Sneakers and Honeybees are making it, which means that Sneakers and Burning Flares still has a shot. But that means that the Fireworks will need to get dead last now, or 15th. But that's just for the sneakers. Burning flares, they still need fireworks to be bottom, so as we where's the DM, well, we are trying to get the Stone Gate back up and running. Little technical gating issue here. Okay, we have got everyone. If you look at the stadium, what a beautiful stadium this is for the final event of the games. Here you go, volcanoes, nobles, volcanoes, electricals on top, sparkling waters, misty mystics, golden gems, and Hawaiians on the bottom. And we are off! Fireworks, you need to look out for them. Oh, look at this! They're on top! All they have to do is pretty much win the heat, and they have won the championship. And if the snowballs are out, he'll be safe. Volcanoes! They won the heat, so they will be safe. Everyone else, not so much. Everyone else will have to survive another heat if they want to advance. Yeah. Hey, that's still good though. So fireworks, they just need to get basically second last. The bottom half results we here have not been determined yet, so here we go, second heat. Fireworks, they need to be eliminated. If they survive, which looks like they are right now, they won't be eliminated. Oh, there is second, wait. What's happening here? Is that Hawaii again? Here we go. Go and check them out. The Electric Eagles will win. Even in this, he was unfair. But we're gonna let it slide. Because that could have just been an accident, so. But since Golden Gems were eliminated, no matter what, volcanoes will be higher than... Wait, they'll be higher than the measurement. So volcanoes will be getting higher than 14s we're here. You know what that means? Fireworks are your Season 8 champions. No matter what they do, they will win. So that's a second championship in a row for them. But everyone else will still need to know their positions, so that was a little bit of... So we do hear the Hawaiians. Yeah, they will be disqualified, we hear. They will win the heat though, but they will be disqualified. Since they have been trying, so Misty Mystics and Fireworks will move on. Sparkling Waters will get 9s. And now, how would this will work now? Everyone will be on the first lane. Yes, you heard first lane. The last mark will cross the line first. I mean, first cross the line. There we are, 2 marbles fell off the track. That's burning flares. Fireworks, so all these marbles are safe. These marbles we don't have to worry about relegation. My man, fireworks and burning flares. The honeybees will be happy to survive. Wait, oh here, that's burning flares and fireworks. This is used to have failed off. The marble who falls off first will be eliminated. But it looks like burning flares have got the upper hand. And they will. So burning flares will get ace this event. Everyone else can be happy to survive. But man, that was not good in any recommendation. Let's see who else will be eliminated. Well, because everyone will survive this time, so last marble time will be eliminated. The top half doesn't matter. As fireworks are not like the ones to be dropping through here. Could be out. Landing on port? Wait, who drops through first? I don't know. And yes. Honeybees will win the heat though. But we do hear from stewards that Neon Paws were the first ones to drop through, so Neon Paws are grabbing the 7th place. Which is, I guess, somewhat decent, 11 points to end of the season. Don't think that will save them for relegation, but oh, 1 mark was for volcanoes. The volcanoes, no matter what, will get a 6th place today. So this heat is basically nothing. You see fireworks are still here, so but what a great way to end off a season, fireworks. 2 championships in a row, you cannot get better than that. Hawaiian season 4 and 5, and now the fireworks, season 7 and season 8. Oh man, and if we pan down the course, I mean it doesn't really matter now because the event pretty much has been just sorry if I'm sniffing a little bit, but anyway, here we go again. This is who'll be out now. Honeybees looks like they are the unfortunate ones so far. But anyway, everyone see us. Sneakers look like they're in trouble. And it will be the Sneakers. The 5th place is the ending point for them. 1st place goes through fireworks, of course. That would be shocking. The 5th place for Sneakers to end off a great season. Here we go. Who missed the podium? There were the honeybees over there. I figured that was going to be fireworks or honeybees who'll be out. But Mr. Mystics was also there. Oh, just barely the fireworks. Missed out by the skin of their teeth. So Electric Eels and the oh, sorry. The fireworks will be missing the podium, but they will be okay with that, so I'm off. bronze medal. Who will get it? Misty Mystics, Electric Eels, or Honeybees? Honeybees again. So I eliminated. But Misty Mystics are also there now, so I think it's going to be one of these two. But now Electric Eels are there. So it could be the Electric Eels who get bronze. No. Okay, so it's Honeybees. They have gone the bronze. The end of the season. So Misty Mystics and Electric Eels will be the ones fighting for the gold. Here we go. The end of season 8. Who will get the final gold? So far, Misty Mystics, so they're the ones in trouble right now, but Electric Eels are also on that funnel. That's Misty Mystics. Either way. Oh, Electric Eels! They can suck on, they keep going. Oh, what a smart play from the Electric Eels. And now we'll give them the gold. Electric Eels. That is the best play that we have seen all games, and the Electric Eels will get the final gold. That means the Electric Eels will end with 3 gold medals to their name. But more importantly, today's winner, Fireworks, for winning the Season 8 Championship. We'll be back again for the closing ceremony, so get ready for that. Let's end off Season 8 with a bang.